documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods, hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Chromies, I'm just there all fun, having fun in my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do.
We doggy. Pawpaw can't think of nothing better to do on a Sunday night. We're gonna spray her down with some green cleaner, get her wiped out real good, and we're gonna bring her online. Let's get the outdoor seedlings in here. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Everything's off besides the light and the oscillating fan. I'm gonna bring everything online. We're gonna use Dragon Slur Zero to get my light set at the right height. And then we're gonna bring all the seedlings in. They're getting too much shade from the... They all came up, even the ones that I didn't think were gonna come up. I've already taken peeled off a couple, but a lot of them still have 2 seeds in them. The Slurella Z. Get on up here, let me see. There we go. I'll be back in a flash. Okay, dokie. I can dig it. We're gonna let them ride right there. Woo! Old AC Infinity T22 getting ready to rock and roll. Back in flash. Okay, dokie. Let's see what we got here. That will intensify a little bit when I close the door. I think we hunky donkey. Oh my God. All right, let me get down on the floor. I'm gonna pause you for a minute. Well, you're gonna hear a bunch of ungodly noise. Let me get down here. Okay, dokie. The Rock Melon Haze. She is up and looking good. I need to give everything a mist in here. Once I get everything dialed in, BPD setting all that good shit. Dragon Slurella Z. Just 2 of Kaz parody forms. There's 2 of Mystery Man's blueberries. Oh. Another one of K's, 2 of them. This one here, I didn't plant anything. That was the original seed that came up on its own. Same thing with this one here. All the rest of them, I added extra bean to it. And the first planting actually wound up coming up on all of them. I picked some beans. And we got another blueberry back there, Mystery Man's. 2 Slurzillas right there. And I don't know if that's 1 or 2. Let's see. I know I killed one off already. There's maybe, and another one of Kaz parody forms. Okay, fucking dokie. I'm gonna pause you for a second. Again, I'm gonna make a lot of noise getting up. Okay, dokie. Whew. Have a fantastic Sunday night. I'm gonna get the rest of this thing dialed in here. BPD, all that lovely shit set. And we're gonna rock and roll. Have a fantastic fucking night. I appreciate you muchly. Peace.